Hi friends, I'm back again and this time I'm going to answer a very important question regarding the presence of an extra HDD slot in Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 Ryzen 5 5500U variant. I received a lot of questions regarding the same, and in fact a lot of you requested me also to open the back panel of the laptop and confirm if this laptop has an extra HDD slot and if we can add an extra HDD drive or a SATA SSD drive. So this is exactly what I did, and let us now find out what is there inside this laptop.
So in order to get to the internals, I first opened the Phillips screws on the back of the laptop. Then I used a credit card type hard card to pry open the back of the laptop. In case you plan to do the same with your laptop, please be very careful, please be very patient while doing this, and do not use any sharp object to open the back of the laptop. Otherwise, there is a chance that you will damage it. So now that we can see the internals of the laptop, I'll first show you the SO-DIMM RAM slot, wherein we can see right now there is a 4 GB Samsung RAM, which is, as I said before, upgradable. You can replace this RAM stick and add a new 8 GB RAM stick here, which will take your total memory to 12 GB. On the right hand side of this is the NVMe SSD slot, which is right now filled by a 512 GB Micron SSD. Again, you can replace this stick with a 1 TB SSD NVMe. So now it's time for the big reveal. As you can see, there's an empty slot where my finger is, and this is the JHDD1 slot, which is used to connect HDD SATA HDD drives to the motherboard. So while there is an empty SATA HDD slot, but that does not mean that we can add an HDD drive in this laptop. Why? Because the space which is used to add an HDD drive in a laptop is consumed by the 3-cell battery which is there in this laptop. So if this would have been a 2-cell battery, we would have been able to add an HDD drive in this laptop because the provision is there. But because we have a bigger battery, the battery has consumed the space for the HDD drive, and hence I confirm that there is no space in this laptop for you to add an HDD or a SATA SSD drive.
I remember that in the review video of this laptop, I said that there is an extra 2.5-inch HDD slot which you can use for HDD or SATA SSD expansion. So now I stand corrected and I want to let you guys know that there is an HDD slot, but that cannot be used for adding an HDD or a SATA SSD drive due to the presence of a big battery which is taking up the space which is supposed to be used for the HDD caddy. So hope this answers your question. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. This is Arun signing off. Thank you. Goodbye.